Good everybody, man. Jetski day today. Yeah, boy AJ. It's a nice day to go on the water. It's a bit overcast, but we can make the most of it. I know one ass I do know from all, but let's go. Just this, boy. Boy, that's so big, man. Look at the jet skis up there, boy. That's a whole movie, boy. Jet skis everywhere. Check this out. We got AJ, the tour guide right there. AJ still scanning on the people. What is that? TJ. That's a big booking right there. So today we got our jet ski called Bucking. Water kind of rough right now, so we might go to Half Moon Bay and Iguana Island. But look at the jet skis out there. This is actually crazy.
Shot, you want to take me UK?
UK?
Yeah.
We in the Turks and Caicos, you want to go to the UK?
No what?
You want to go to the UK, we in Turks and Caicos. Oh, look at this, man. Y'all ain't got no better than this.
How are you coming fast? Why are you fucking coming fast? Can get some of that island fruit punch. Me and Turks and Caicos, man. Y'all just look at the way. Oh, hey, buddy. We're in the Turks and Caicos, man. Hike is good. That's king. That's how we do it over there. They just was gripping it up on them jet skis. Outside. Corvettes on the water. You can see anything in Turks and Caicos, but I swear to drop. Orange and green Corvettes. You get everything in there. You get the Lamborghini Corvette, the Rolls Royce. AJ always fun with surprises, but ride the Jetski on the hot bike. We always so tired, but one thing with them jet skis can have you tired all day. There's a fun day. Get the sun out. Nice, clear, blue waters here in the Turks and Caicos. Anything better than this is a setup. Anything better than this is a setup. Swear to jaw.
Bye, have a great time.
Why are you coming fast? Why you coming fast?